Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one database website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, my name is Mustafa Sahadat. I'm from Online Millionaires. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This is a Bitcoin website I'm going to share with you, and this much is the withdrawal. Okay, this is the all withdrawal proof, and the withdrawal satoshis this website paid, and this website is a new, and this much Bitcoin paid. Okay, and you can just click sign up. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, click register, username, email, gender, password, your country, and your Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, if you put, just click and go to login. Okay, now I'm going to log in my website, my account, and you can see this is the front page of this website, and you can earn with a very easy way. Okay, right now, like if you want to make much satoshi from this website, you can make it. Okay, like right now the first one is Faucet claim. You can claim your faucet any number they come, and you can claim your faucet. Okay, just type this one in here, left, right, and click roll. Okay, and now you can see I win 50 satoshi. Okay, this is the number, this is the 50 satoshi I win. And you can earn with another ways, like you can go to BTC Hearts and watch BTC Hearts and earn much more, and you can watch short links or short links. If you watch our short links, pay you much more satoshi. This much satoshi pay you every looking this much short links. Okay, and other jobs, achievement or CPU mining. Don't use the CPU mining. Okay, other offer wall, and you can go and complete offer. They pay you from offer, and you can refer your friends with your referral link, and just you copy your referral link and paste for your friends. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.